Hi there, good morning. So basically, yeah, we again one more trade. We lose one more trade, but this time we lose exactly the correct amount. That is $5. As 1% $50, and we have two main things. That is the 50-50. And if we lose that two both trades, then we are going to shift from $50 to $25. That's what the thing is. Now we are shifted from $50 risk to $25 risk, and from the day we started trading, we lose 3 trades. Now one more trade is coming. We'll wait patiently and we'll take into the consideration. From the 3 trades, 1 trade got in profit, but we dum lagla. But we, that 1 trade goes in profit. But due to news, it hit our SL and then gone to take profit. This is what it is, bro. Heading off. Let's go to job. As always, we took this rickshaw and yes, going to Tanita. There, I'm right now standing very close to the door. This is what a city bus is. So back in this city, totally packed. There, so we have reached to the office, and this was the car I was talking about yesterday. We have visited the large car Mercedes, bro. We are coaches, and yes, this is our office, bro. The office is very big, but the actual office is one. To be get it true. After office, I won't be able to shoot. After office, we are going to focus on our business. Need to focus, bro. A lot of things are remaining pending में चल रहा है वो literally. इतना workload आ रहा है for business. And today, I'm really going to real life experience. ये experience मिला ना मेरे को same day में. अगर मैंने same thing ने मेरे business में use किया ना, if I can get clients to this company, why I can't get clients to my company? Makes sense. But my focus is running off. I read just now over. Now we are heading behind. Really, it is like a 500 by walk. They're like burning of the screen time. So I was also training, and tomorrow morning going to get started with real conversation, real counseling, real talk with her. That's how we are going to explore for knowledge, and that's how we will increase our skill, and should be working. And if I use this skill into my business now, yes, guess what, do like anything to understand, learn, get the knowledge and use the same thing into our business. This is what is my plan is. Hey there, guess what, this is a so beautiful hotel and it's so near. And we are actually here to see the PG's option. Technospace. Yeah. So, hi there, this is our, we are heading towards depot, where is our houses. Now I have searched the PG, oh my god, 7,000 for living, free sharing, huge, it's much, bro, it's too much. So I'm looking forward for something cheap. What else we want to do in PG? Almost full day, I just wanted to place to sleep, right? Not a place, a good place to sleep. So 1,000 without fear not work. So now we are going to go home. Once we go home, we'll look after our business, a lot of things, so I trade, heading off. Right there, this building behind the park. That building is so huge, bro, so huge. Still, we have to walk a lot. Seeing such buildings right now in front of me, seeing that company, इतना motivation आता है ना, and this motivation we need to get success. Yo, we need a motivation to get success. एक time ऐसे आता है कि motivation, we need a motivation, we need a struggling life. That's why I'm here right now. No one knows why I'm here. Now you know. Signing off. Hi guys, we got to be city bus. Hi guys, a back car. Hi Ra. Oh dude, one more trade lost. The process. So almost we have lost 4 trades, and we have almost like 6 to 7 more trades left. To lose all the challenge. So we just will be on most highest probability, because it is really important to take the highest probability setup and good money. So this is what it is. Signing off. I'm already so sleepy right now, but need to reply all of this business messages. All. My goodness. And see the time. I'm so tired right now, but need to work on business. Have to. These are all the people who have applied for digital marketing intern. I'm actually scheduling their interview right here. So they have applied to our company page. If we go for what just happened, What the fuck? Problem.